Your AI video doesn't have to end where the generator stops. Firefly Video will give you a great clip, but if you want it to match your next shot or control how it ends, you'll need to plan your frames first. And stay till the end, I'll show you how I added my logo to this water bottle and the prompt mistakes and model tests I had to fix before it finally worked. And here's the final video. All it took was a little planning. I'm using Firefly Boards because it's so easy to plan out my story frame by frame. Your first frame is the foundation of your entire video. It decides the lighting, the camera angle, and the composition. You want to plan your first frame, your last frame, and any key points in between, all in 16:9 widescreen for video format. Start with a simple idea. My draft was transparent purple water bottle in serene setting, mountains and lake. Then I clicked on Enhance Prompt, which rewrites it into a much more structured version. Here's the important part. Go in and edit it to match your real goal. My goal was to make sure that it was a modern water bottle that I could put my logo on. I added the word modern. Your prompt should support your end goal. Once your prompt is locked in, then choose your model. Firefly 5 is realistic and expressive. Firefly 4 is literal and predictable, plus you get 4 variations. Kontext Pro is best for product shots and logo consistency. Nano Pro is stylized and creative. And remember, always set the aspect ratio to 16:9 widescreen. Now generate your base frames. This is your story. The frames your animation will follow. Generate more frames than you would think. Firefly Video needs good reference images. Here I've generated 3 frames so far. One that's zoomed out, one that's zoomed in, and one where the hand is grabbing the bottle. That was just the beginning of my story. These are all my base frames. Now that you've generated your frames, it's time to turn them into motion. In Firefly Video, you can access your generation history, including the base frames you made in Boards. When generating Firefly Video, if your image has small details like logo or text, always generate it at 1080p so the model doesn't warp anything. One way to generate video includes only one frame, a starting frame. Then you can choose to zoom, pan, or any of the other options here. This is perfect for simple standalone clips, but if you're planning a sequence, I'll show you why you need the next method. Another way to generate video is to upload a start frame and an end frame. Firefly Video will create a clip that transitions between them. Then we'll use that end frame to start the next video, so when we stitch them together, it'll be seamless. This is perfect for building continuity and planned shot sequences. Now it's time to assemble the full video. The Firefly Video Editor is now in beta, and it's super easy to use. The editor gives you access to your entire generation history, your Firefly video clips, your board frames, and anything else you generate. Drop your video clips directly onto the timeline, rearrange them, trim them, and adjust the pacing. You can also use the editor's one-frame motion tools, zoom, pan, tilt, and in my case, move right. This is an easy way to add subtle movement when generating a new clip in the editor. Once your sequence looks good, download your final composite video. It's a good thing we did all that planning. Here's the treat I promised. I used Kontext Pro to apply my logo to this bottle, but not before a few issues. Here's what went wrong. It didn't often understand that my logo was transparent. Sometimes it made it too shiny where I couldn't really see the logo, and sometimes it pasted it flat without wrapping it, and sometimes it invented a completely new logo that wasn't even mine. Eventually, I found the right prompt. First, I selected my logo, then chose Edit and Kontext Pro as the model. Then I chose the image as the second reference. For the prompt, I made sure to include the logo transparency, integration with the bottle, and legibility. Now you can see how important planning is when you're generating video. So that's the full workflow. Plan your frames in Boards, generate your clips in Firefly Video, and assemble everything in the video editor for a clean, controlled final video. More Firefly video tutorials are linked here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.